Nestled in the serene coastal enclave of Avalon, Sydney, the Pavilion House stands as a masterclass in transformation. Originally a simple, single-storied black box that had remained largely untouched for a decade, the structure provided Nina Maya and her husband with the ultimate blank canvas. For Nina Maya Interiors, the project was more than just a renovation. It was a rare opportunity to operate under an open brief, allowing the studio to fully articulate its dream design ethos. The result is a luxury beach home that functions as a calm, idyllic retreat, where every square inch is a testament to bespoke craftsmanship. The interior architecture is defined by a commitment to minimal, clean, and sleek materiality. A velvety-textured micro-cement coating flows across the walls, ceilings, and floors, creating a cohesive, neutral envelope that glows with a subtle shimmer. This seamless finish extends even to the kitchen joinery and range hood, eliminating superfluous lines and allowing the architecture to recede. This intentional minimalism serves as a soft backdrop for the home's true centerpieces, such as the Brescia green marble kitchen island. Crafted in Italy, the marble's deep navy and green veining provides a striking organic contrast to the hushed tones of the surrounding space. Nina Maya's signature style is further elevated through a curated collection of site-specific commissions and custom furniture. Rather than standard furnishings, the home features voluminous, rounded couches and putty-colored bouclés and solid marble tables carved from heavy blocks, so substantial that the floors required reinforcement to support them. Lighting and art function as the home's soul, from Max Pad's mesmerizing infinity works light in the dining room to Tan Arlich's playful resin forms in the kitchen, the house acts as a living gallery. Each piece was designed or commissioned specifically for this site, reflecting a level of luxury usually reserved for high-end city residences, yet softened here for a coastal context. Beyond the glass, the design extends into a lush garden sanctuary that maximizes the Sydney climate. The property has been thoughtfully divided into functional zones, including a circular fire pit, an expansive lawn shaded by towering gum trees, and a new pavilion housing an outdoor bathroom with sheer, billowing curtains. This outdoor transition feels like a natural extension of the interior's retreat atmosphere. Together with her previous work on the Glass House in Paddington, the Pavilion House cements Nina Maya's reputation for creating bespoke living environments that balance the rigors of high design with the effortless ease of the Australian coast.